So at Grundfos, what we're realizing is there's more of a need for modularizing pumping packages into systems. There's a lot of advantages doing that. There are a lot of companies, including Grundfos, that does that today and engineered to order. But really what is needed in the market today is standardizing on those modular systems. And that's what we'll bring into the market today in the HVAC applications.
So with Delta HCU, what efficiency means to us is from a pump perspective, from a motor perspective, and also from a controls perspective. From a pump perspective, we have one of the most efficient pumps, one of the most efficient end suction pumps, our NBS pump, which has been designed from the ground up to be really reliable and very efficient in that way. The other thing that we're doing is with our controller, where the way we're staging our pumps, we're staging them based on efficiency, not just based on speed. Instead of just cutting in a pump at a specific speed when the demand calls for it, we're actually looking at the power draw that these pumps are drawing and making sure that, if we put on 2 pumps instead of 1 pump, then the power consumption there is lower than if it was just 1 pump. And that's consistent across the line with 2, 3, and even 4 pumps running on the skid.
What excites me the most about this new product portfolio from Grundfos is that for the first time in the HVAC industry, a pump manufacturer is bringing a true standard modular system that serves the market needs by having it easier to specify, easier to install, and easier to integrate into the HVAC control system.